What's going on YouTube? It's your boy RoyBoy2678 here with CW Chance Wagner. Here we are working on his
a typical Subaru fashion.
Yeah,
it's not working.
So what we got going on here is Chance was driving on the way to work. And what happened, Chance? Give us a little play-by-play.
So if you follow me,
where are we following you?
From second to third.
Okay.
And I was going to shift from third to fourth, and now the car has erectile dysfunction.
Okay.
It's currently, actually it's a neutral, but it was stuck in third. But it's a little wobbly, and it ain't doing shit.
Okay. So what do we think the issue is here, Chance?
Well, could be shift cables, could be...
Oh, that came out easy.
Well, I pulled it out earlier.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah. I don't know if it's going to be anything in here, but we're going to certainly find out.
Okay. And what's the first thing we always start with when diagnosing a vehicle?
Visual inspection.
Oh, yeah. All right, so here we are visually inspecting it, and yeah, it's definitely broken. We don't have any gears. We do actually. Yes, sir. Cut it!
That was second gear, baby.
Was it? How'd you get it in second? Yeah, you're good.
Hell yeah. All right, that's all.
There you go. I found the issue, Chance, I think. It's not pushed onto the transmission. It's not pushed onto the transmission. The fork. Do you have like a pry bar? Can I have this? Is what I believe to be the issue right here. This fork is not on its support.
Did you say a pry bar? Yeah. Is that on the step stool right there? Because I saw it laying on the ground.
One second. Let me take a video of this. Okay, gotta push it back on, and there's that little hole in there to align it. Okie dokie. Here is the part that what's it called? The clip?
Shifter pin.
The shifter pin goes through right there. And this is the shifter plate that I removed. Right here. And this is the shifter cable. So this is where it's at.